going on, guys? Today I'm going to show Ben how to ride the motorbike. Alright, get the motorbike. Wheel it over here. It's in gear.
Oh! How does one activate motorbike?
Alright, Ben, I've put it into neutral. All you have to do is take that lever that's on the side, other side, pull it out.
Jesus didn't teach me at the Christian
Not that
school.
fucking lever.
What lever?
That one. Alright, kick it.
What?
Kick the shit out of it.
Just
Kick it. No, the other way. Harder.
This is me.
Harder.
I want to die. Please have mercy on my poor soul.
Come on.
Reach the void.
Come on, you can do it.
My father
Harder.
for an end me.
Get into it.
Please
All
explain.
right, pump it half down. Yep, now back up. Let it go back up. Alright, now down. Go.
Swish myself around.
And it stalls.
Let's try.
Alright, so what you want to do is you want to do that again, but this time...
We go through that trauma.
but this time, just rev it a little bit so that it stays on, alright? You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about, Jose? Alright, now, pull in that. Oh, no fucking, oh my god, man. Alright, hold on. Stay there. Alright, that'll work. I'll be right back, folks. Alright. You're going to start it.
Yeah.
Then you're going to hold in that.
Yeah.
You might want to hold in that as you start it.
Yeah.
It'll start. Boom, boom,
Yeah.
boom. Make sure it doesn't die.
Yeah.
And you are ready to go.
What?
So,
How do I brake?
no. Click that right there and you can go. Put this around your neck. It's expensive.
You're expensive.
Alright, now you have to go back because the lens is a bit silly.
You're a bit. Oh my goodness.
Alright. So,
Yep.
and then what you're going to do is you're going to hold in the clutch.
The adventures begin. There we
Alright,
go.
come here. Now what we do is click down like that.
Yeah.
And then you're ready to go. Alright. That one down there is the brake. Ready? I'll give you a demonstration of the brakes. See that? That's some brake
Do you
action.
release the thingy, the revvy
Oh
thing?
yeah, you do that. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to... It's ready to go.
Yeah.
As soon as you let go of that, the clutch, it's fucking off. Alright?
Yep.
It's your turn.
Should not trust me with this piece of machinery.
Please do not operate heavy machinery whilst under the influence of stupidity. Haha, burn. Alright, lever out. Hold in the clutch. Kick it. Oh, fuck yeah! Alright, keep it going, It started. Stand up, keep it going. Now press on the lever!
Oh, sweet fuck.
Do you feel like
I feel the exhilaration coursing through me.
rejuvenated?
I feel rejuvenated.
Was that fun? Do you feel like you're a pro racer now?
Yes.
I'm going to show you how to do a burnout. Yeah, we are. Alright. We're going to teach you how to do a burnout. Get on it. Start it. I do fat burnouts over here all the time.
Believe in me.
Drop a clutch! Woo! Oh, did you see that burnout, folks? Oh, he's off! Oh, this is spectacular. Oh my god, don't go onto the road, Benjamin. Don't go onto the road. Oh, fuck! Come back, Ben! I think he did a pretty good job
I think I want to kill myself.
of his burnout. And if you guys want to see another burnout, or if you want to see more bike shenanigans, just give Mr. Benjamin a comment on our video, and we'll do some more sexy shit. Do a sick pose.
It's motorbike.
You fucking muppet. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Do you want to ride back?
Can I ride it back?